Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing another challenge. Yes, like this girl been wanting to do this challenge. So I'm going to do the sister does my makeup because because you guys know the last challenge I did was my best friend did my makeup. So my sissy Poo's going to do my makeup today. So
FYI, I know nothing about makeup, so let's not say our face will be when we're done. Not like that.
Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys do, remember to give it a thumbs up, remember to hit that notification bell, remember to subscribe, and to all my new subscribers, welcome. And I put it down like me, you gonna blind me. Take time. No, take time. You just said like when you mash up pimento seed.
Should I look more spice to the challenge? Master.
Take time from them, please. I'm gonna hire the fan. I'm not hungry or I sorrow.
Go on, the eyebrow. I think you can pull the eyebrow.
Yeah.
Do what my eyebrow to pull when they go to the door. Of course, my eyebrow here.
DJ, I sweat.
I don't know. Is you doing it?
Find them bros. That foundation, yeah?
So I got the foundation before the eyeshadow? I'm asking.
But the eyebrow, I'm not going to do. I'm not going to do the top part of the eyebrow.
I'm not going to top of the eyebrow. So now blend the concealer.
Wait, no?
Don't ask me nothing.
Papa Jesus.
You can use the same brush you use line it, blend it for Ninja Turtle. That's someone looking now. Someone see the look what you're gonna do now. Let's show the guy.
It's my challenge. I'm going to be using the mascarade palette. Color them. I'm going to use. I will be using Ada, Casablanca, Dania.
Anyways.
Yeah, that you were there.
I don't know you're the makeup artist.
My inspect your eye. See when I get there. So I'm gonna mix this. Wait, look at the police.
What you mix?
This and this. Oh, mix this and this.
You know, for mix them, don't mix my shadows. Oh, you for hello. You say you watch my videos then. And you, oh, you feel mix shadows together and I mix them on the lid. Mix matte and shimmer in the pan. Oh, you have to do that, mad girl.
Well, my banana makeup sense.
Banana sense over.
Turn to me, Lovey. Yow! Show them your left eye.
Please knock off some of that.
You take off like a bird. Done with the joke thing. Stand up for that one. I'm going to look for you know. Thinking I ain't gonna go. Now I'll be using Maybelline Lasting Fix and set my work.
You see, don't go for face. Say now, do my highlighter. I'm always put here, so on top of my chin.
Oh, your highlight.
Yeah.
Oh.
You know you have my palette to clean up, right?
Which one is the highlighter here?
We make it small, but that one.
No, not in my eyes. Yeah.
You can use that one. God, help her.
Baby, I wanna be.
You don't have anymore.
Tell her this. You see that challenge here? Hit this up here so. I shall have a car roll with it. We're gonna take a walk.
How many years ago?
Don't worry about that. For the moment y'all have been waiting for, your roll, please.
Why you feel like you're going so close to the material though?
Open your eye, open your eye. Open your eye.
So I know what. Hey! Hey! You don't want the lipstick?
Using a bee.
No, man, the blush feel weird.
Yeah.
Yeah, no quick cook. Tell you how the thing look. You will.
Party shot. I finally pancake look at heart shape. Which one you want?
The same color with the woman is up on. One just drop on both are right back.
Dry your lip right now.
Please, my lip is already full, though overemphasize my lip. You're so dramatic. So you done?
I'm gonna see. Turn the face over. Don't think I put your tear duct. Put it in back. Oh, our Father.
What in Zion?
Oh, Lord,
Come and do my old show.
That is my video. I do all the talking. So, for the final look, as y'all can see, we have the Jamaican Cardi B.
My dog.
Cut the foolishness. As you can see, the look is complete. Not gonna lie, the first time ever I do makeup and it come out good.
The first time she did for sure.
Girl, good I got prom. Put on your dress sequin, well mesh.
Is it the tear though? Like, but not lying, guys. It's actually her first time doing it, but she understand the concept because she watch me every morning getting ready to work. And yeah. If you guys like this video, you know, give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy a video like this, leave a suggestion, leave it in the comment section. Let us know if you like challenge videos.
Follow our social media down below.
Yeah, I will pin this Instagram names down below. But it look good. I don't know why my lip burn me, but yes, so
I got use. When you can book me.
So yeah, guys.
Leave for now. When you're not ready.
Yo, but if you guys enjoy video like this, leave a suggestion down below. You know I'm always open to create new videos, always open to try new stuff. Yes, I've been MIA for a while, but I'm trying to get it back up. Like the highlighter from my chin had freed me out. But we here, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Level up. There you go. Oh no, it's so yummy.
Let it go.